Why are hemispheres important for GED geography? Imagine trying to find your way around a huge map without any clues about directions. It would be pretty confusing, right? Hemispheres help us organize the Earth's surface so we can understand it better. The Earth is split into four parts by two imaginary lines. One line is called the equator, which runs horizontally around the middle of the Earth. It divides the Earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The other line is called the prime meridian, which runs vertically from the North Pole to the South Pole. It divides the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. These divisions are like big city blocks that help us locate places easily. When you look at a map or a globe, knowing which hemisphere a place is in makes it much simpler to find and understand. For example, if you know a city is in the northern hemisphere, you know it is north of the equator. This helps explain why some places have different weather or seasons. Because the Earth tilts on its axis, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. This tilt causes the seasons to be opposite in each half of the world. Hemispheres also help us understand climate zones. Places near the equator in the middle of the Earth tend to be warmer all year round. Meanwhile, areas closer to the poles, at the top and bottom, are colder. Knowing which hemisphere a location is in helps explain these climate differences. Maps and globes are key tools in geography. When you see a map, being able to tell if a city or country is in the northern or southern hemisphere or the eastern or western hemisphere helps you understand its location better. It also helps you understand time zones, which are based on longitude lines. Some continents, like Africa, stretch across multiple hemispheres. Africa is in the northern and southern hemispheres, and parts of it are in the eastern and western hemispheres. This shows how hemispheres help us study the diversity of Earth's land and people. Most of the world's population lives in the northern hemisphere, where many big cities and countries are located. This makes understanding hemispheres important for studying population distribution and cultural differences. So, in GED geography, knowing about hemispheres helps you find places on maps, understand climate and seasons, and get a clearer picture of the world's layout. It is a simple but powerful way to organize and understand our planet.